We find our friends the puppets all asleep on their rack, waiting for the puppeteer, Jose, to go to sleep. Jose yawns, wiggles a bit, and falls fast asleep. We hear our friends, dinosaurs, say, "Is he really asleep?"
Is he really asleep?
Pedro says, "I think so."
I think so.
Monkey says, "Let's play ball."
Let's play ball.
Goat says, "I want to play too." First they play together, enjoying their free time. Then they hear strange noises.
That wasn't me.
They discuss among themselves whether these noises are normal. Dinosaur says,
That was glass breaking.
"What is that?"
That's funny. What is that?
Pedro says, "Is that a normal sound?"
Is that a normal sound?
Monkey says, "I want my mama."
I want my mama.
Goat says, "We've got to do something." Goat says, "We've got to do something." They decide to send one of their number to investigate. Dinosaur says, "Someone needs to check that out."
Somebody needs to check that out.
Goat says, "Who should go?"
Who should go?
Monkey says, "I think it should be someone
I think it should be someone
who can get out of this box without drawing attention."
to get out of this box without drawing attention.
Pedro says, "I will go."
I will go.
The puppets, and Pedro goes, 1, 2, 3, and he's gone. The puppets play nervously until Pedro gets back. Pedro returns. Pedro returns. There are burglars in the house. Pedro, there are burglars in the house.
There are burglars in the house.
Dinosaur says, "Oh my goodness."
Oh my goodness.
Monkey says, "What do we do?"
What do we do?
Pedro says, "We have to wake Lewis."
Jose.
Oh, excuse me, Jose. We have to wake Jose. The puppets must find a way of waking Jose without revealing to Jose that they are alive. That's their big secret. Dinosaur says, "I think we should all breathe on him."
I think we should all breathe on him.
Goat says, "I think we should all jump on him."
I think we should all jump on him.
Monkey says, "I think we should knock the stage over on him."
I think we should knock the stage over on him.
Pedro says, "I think we should use these balls to wake him."
I think we should use these balls to wake him.
They take turns trying to wake up the puppeteer. Dinosaur says, "Here's a ball for you." When Jose does not wake up, Dinosaur goes to his stand. Goat says, "Here's another ball for you."
Here's another ball for you.
Jose does not stir. Good, Goat. Goat gets on the stand. Monkey says, "Here's a third ball for you."
Here's a third ball for you.
And then he goes to his stand when it does not wake Jose. Pedro says, it comes center stage and says, "Here goes nothing."
Here goes nothing.
Oh. And he jumps on the stand as Jose wakes up.
Mommy.
And Jose hears the sounds.
There you go. There you go. You're good now.
The puppets. First of all, as Jose awakens, the puppeteer hears the noises. Jose says, "Oh my gosh, what is that? We must have burglars. I better call 911. Jose goes downstairs. The puppets discuss what is happening. Dinosaur says, I wonder if we should start playing again.
I wonder if we should start playing again.
Pedro says, maybe we should wait for Jose to return.
Also, Mom, I think we should wait.
This way, Jose.
Monkey says, I want to play.
I want to play.
Goat says, let's wait on the rack until Jose returns. Jose then returns to the room talking to himself. Going for the camera. Jose says, I dreamed the puppets were warning me
I dreamed the puppets were warning me
about the intruder.
about the tree.
I think I better go back to sleep. The puppeteer goes back to sleep. The puppets come off their stand. Dinosaur says, we have a favor to ask you, our audience.
We have a favor to ask you, our audience.
Pedro says, a favor from each of you.
A favor from each of you.
Monkey says, please do not reveal our secret.
Please do not reveal our secret.
And Goat says, we're still alive.
We're still alive.
And they played till morning. All the puppets take a bow.